Welcome back everybody. So for this deep conditioning treatment, the castor oil challenge, I'm going to be adding 2 extra oils, grapeseed oil and avocado oil, known to moisturize and condition the hair, and it's very good to penetrate the hair shaft, and it's a very light oil. So I decided to choose the Queen Helen's deep conditioning treatment because at the back has no protein whatsoever. I'm going to scoop out 2.5 teaspoon, and I'm going to add the oils to enhance the deep conditioning treatment to add more moisture to my hair. I'm suffering from extremely dry hair and I don't know the reason for that. So I'm just going to whip everything together and get ready for the application process. So what I did was just to separate my hair into 4 sections, and I'm going to apply the deep conditioner on dry hair. I normally, if you guys haven't seen in my other deep conditioning videos, that I normally start off on freshly washed hair, but because time is against me and I have a few things to do, I'm starting off on dry hair today. Okay guys, so I'm going to be staying under the dryer for 10 minutes instead of 15 minutes because I have this extra added heat here. So just 10 minutes, and I'm going to be washing my hair with the Daily 2-in-1 Suave, and it says it's a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, balance moisture, no heavy residue. So this is my second time using this shampoo, and since I've been suffering from so much dryness, I'm going to be using the Suave Professional Deep Moisture Replenish 7 times moisture lock-in system, and this is this. So this is my second time using this. It really does make my hair super soft. It says it's a hydrating conditioner, salon proven to moisturize, as well as Paul Mitchell instant moisture. So this is that, and I'm going to be washing my hair out with that. So I finally got my wild growth oil. A lot of you guys have mentioned to me in the comment section that I should invest in one of these. I have not opened this as yet, so I have not used it, but I just received it. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think I should do. Please bear in mind that I'm suffering from a lot of dryness, so I really got this one. I'm really pumped to see how this works. I'm thinking in my mind I need to do a hot oil treatment before my next deep conditioning treatment. Also let me know in the comment section if when I'm going to do my next deep conditioning treatment for the castor oil challenge, if I should try this oil together with that, or I should just do a hot oil treatment. Okay guys, so I went ahead and dried my hair. So I'm just going to give you guys a close-up shot of what my hair looks like now that I'm finished washing out my hair. So I still have this dry looking texture. I do have a lot of texture in my hair since my last what do you want to say, my relaxer. I used to use the aloe vera juice. If you guys haven't seen that video, you can check the video out in the cards. So now that I'm through with the washing process, this is what my hair looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that clear enough in the camera, but my hair still has this dry feeling. I'm suffering from a lot of dryness, although I just added the amount of oils to my hair. So as you can see, this is what my hair looks like. I'm still having the dryness. As you can see in the close-up shot, the hair is just dry to the touch, and it doesn't matter what I do, it just feels dry and look dry. So comment down below as to what you guys think. I have not been using any protein whatsoever. I'm now going at about 10 weeks. I'm 4 weeks post relaxer, but I'm now going on about 9 to 10 weeks not using any protein whatsoever. I have been keeping away from the protein. So comment down below as to what you think could be the reason for the dryness, the extreme dryness. I do have a lot of body in my hair. My hair is still thick after using the aloe vera juice. Okay, so that is my situation at the moment. So don't forget to thumbs up this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel. Hit right here on my face to subscribe. Turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any of my videos. Hashtag HairObsessclub. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.